1358 Number of substrings containing all three characters. This Java code calculates the number of substrings containing all three characters A, B, and C in a given string S. It uses a sliding window approach with a time complexity of O(n). The method maintains a count of A, B, and C within a window defined by two pointers, left and right. As the right pointer expands the window by iterating over the string, the left pointer shrinks the window when all three characters are present. For each valid window, it adds the number of possible substrings to the total count. Summary: we maintain a window left, right, and a count array for characters A, B, and C. As we expand the window to the right, we increment the count for each character. When the window contains all three characters, we count all possible valid substrings. The key insight: if a window left, right contains all characters, then all substrings starting at left and ending at any position from right to the end of the string will also contain all three characters. For each valid window, we add n right to our count, which represents all these possible substrings. We then shrink the window from the left until we no longer have all three characters. Thanks for watching, and I post daily.